Hey guys, it's Tiffany from SuperEasyMath.com. Today's math problem of the day says a class has a 4-to-5 ratio of boys to girls. If there are 27 students in the class, how many are girls? Well, first of all, I want to make sure it's clear. Whenever you're dealing with a ratio, the first item they mention or person or whatever thing it is you're talking about is the first number. So they say boys to girls. So the 4 represents boys and the 5 represents girls. For this particular problem, that's important because we need to know that we're focused mostly on the second number when it comes time to answer, because it says how many are girls, okay? Well, what I can do is I can basically add this ratio on top of itself multiple times and add the total of the two numbers, like add the 4 and the 5 or whatever numbers we have once we're adding, to see the total amount that would possibly be in the class. Let me show you what I mean. So you could have 4 to 5 and the ratio has to stay the same. So basically that means you add 4 to 5 to it. So if I add 4 to 4, I would have 8. And if I add 5 to 5, I would have 10. Well, in the 4 to 5 example, this would be a class of only 9 people because 4 plus 5 is 9. In the 8 to 10 example, that would be a class of 18 people. They told us how many? 27. So I need to keep adding some more. So now I'm going to add the 4 to 5 ratio onto my 8 to 10. So it's 8 plus the 4, that would be 12. And then what's 10 plus the 5? That would be 15. Well, what does that equal? What's 12 plus 15? Oh, it's 27. This is the one we need to consider to answer this question. So if there are 27 students in the class, how many are girls? Oh, remember, the second one is going to be the girls over here. We pointed that out. So the girls would be 15. So that means we would have 15 girls. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, but don't forget to head over to SuperEasyMath.com where you can have access to all of my math videos where I teach everything in order the way you need it with notes.